Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing from Eyescream Beauty. So if you're not familiar, Eyescream Beauty is a monthly beauty box subscription. They have two different levels. The bag is $12.50, and you get about 5 full-size products. There's never any deluxe samples or any kind of samples, all full-size products. You do get an eye palette in every box or bag each month. Now, if you're a makeup lover, this one is for you because it is just makeup. So, here is my box for January 2022. I upgraded. I've had the bag, but I upgraded to the $25 box because I was watching unboxings and I thought it was just so much more worth it. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Here's what it looks like. Now these are the kind of peanuts that if you get them wet, they just disintegrate. So that's good for the environment. So let's get these out of here. Okay, so here's a peek at my box. Very exciting. It does come with a card to let you know what is in the box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items this month. So let's go ahead and start with one of the smaller things. This is, oh, I can't see it, Crown. Let me get my little handy dandy light. Yep, that is Crown. It is a long-lasting, hydrating lip balm. You tell me if you can see that on there. But it's a nice color. If it's a lip balm, it probably is not that pigmented. So let's see. The Crown Pro Lipstick Midnight Kiss for $6. So let's go ahead and take a peek at this. The whole tube is fully sealed. Try and get this all off. Arg. Ooh, wow. So it's on a doe foot. Maybe it is more pigmented than I thought. Oh, gosh, yes, it is. So this is a liquid lipstick then. It's a pretty color. Pretty dark. But yeah, wow. Yeah, that is definitely pigmented. I can use that. Now, before I get it all over everything, let me wipe that off. Oh boy. Okay, so I got a wet wipe. I'm really pressing to get this off. So it does have staining qualities. Wow, okay. But yeah, it was hard to get off. And I was taking it off right away. So can you imagine if you let it sit on your lips, it would really stain it. Okay. Next thing. So Susan Skincare Color Performance Statement Skin. Oh boy. They're challenging my eyes today. Statement Skin Highlighting Crayon. Okay. See if I can read that. That's what it looks like. Let's get it out of here. And this is The highlighting crayon, wow, $20. And it's in the shade Candlelight. Oh yeah, look at that. That actually is really cool. I use a highlight powder. That's a pretty color. Oh, it's soft. Look how it blended. Yeah, I like that. And it looks like, yeah, it just twists up and down. Is that as low as it goes? I think that's as low as it goes. Yeah, I'm happy to get that. 20 bucks though? Statement Skin Highlighting Crayon. What does it say about it? An instant remedy to lifeless, lackluster complexions. Simply glide the Statement Skin across your forehead, down the center of your nose, and on your chin, and blend for a glow of outdoor radiance. Brighten the eye area by blending onto your brow bones and inner corners of the eye, or mix with foundation to achieve that youthful, dewy glow. It's powered by organic chia seed to help the skin softly hydrate, and silk peptide to promote skin suppleness and elasticity. This lasts for about 18 months. So when you see products and it has like a little jar, that number in there will tell you how long the product lasts once you've opened it. So like my mascara, I have 10-1 on there, and that tells me that I opened it on October the 1st. I am due for another mascara. I am hoping to get one in a box soon, or I'm going to have to go buy another one. So that's what I do. So I know when these things expire. The next thing out of my box, from Earth Harbor, ooh, Celestine. Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum with seaweed peptides and hyaluronic acid. Thank goodness, I just used the last part of my hyaluronic acid this morning. So it's plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten, no soy, small batch made, and woman-owned. Let's take a look at it. Now, this product is $45. Oh, it is a little cold. It was outside for a little while, so it might have turned milky. But I've always seen these to be clear, but it's cold, so it probably changed. But there we go. Get that goddess glow by hydrating and replenishing skin with the ultimate skin foods of seaweed peptides, cross-linked botanical hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, aloe juice, BHAs, and vitamin B5 plus C plus E from pomegranate. Celestine's feather-light consistency and smooth texture absorbs beautifully into skin, imparting skin with the essential nutrients needed to visibly renew, nourish your sweet face from sunrise to sunset. You apply it to clean skin and massage in as a leave-on treatment. Include any place in your body needing a refreshing, hydrating boost. Use daily for maximum results. I am happy to get that. I wonder if it is this color, but I think it's supposed to be clear, but it's cold. It's very cold. It's only like 14, 17 degrees here today, so very cold. The next thing is this. This is the palette. Let me get this out of here. So this is Hollywood Glam Eyeshadow Palette by Eyescream. This is a $20 value. Ooh, look at those colors. Are they all sparkly? I do like to have quite a few matte choices. As you age and your eyelids get older and wrinklier, shiny eyeshadow will show all of that. So I like to have a few mattes in my arsenal. It's pretty. Oh, that was the back. That's the back. This is the front. It does have a mirror. Oh yeah, there's plenty of colors in here I can use. Oh, this is beautiful. Very nice. I see some purples. I could have used that today. That looks like that would go well with my shirt. I love that. That's beautiful. And then the last thing in the box is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics I Slay Mermaid Glam Eyeshadow Set. And this is worth $45. Oh, okay. Let's see what that looks like. I think the box is rather big. And you get a little brush with it. I think that's a packing brush. I'm not sure what that is. This is... It's eyeshadow brush number 35. Feels good. Now I have another brush. And then the colors I got are bronze, tropic. I like that color. And the glittery portion, which I will not be using, is turquoise. I will not, this is loose glitter. I'm not going to use that. So let's check this out. There's a seal on it. I want to see if they're all loose. They are. Okay. See, this is a loose powder. Yeah. Very loose. So that's what that is. I don't know how I feel about that. So I'm just going to grab a little bit with the brush and I'm going to put it on my hand like and then you tap. Okay. Blends out well. It was actually pretty easy. It's easier than I thought. So then I take my thought back. I will be using that. I've been actually looking for a color like that. So yep, so these are loose powders and a loose glitter. So you have to keep that in mind with this. But yeah, so we got the Bella Pierre eyeshadow set with a brush. We have the Earth Harbor Plumping Serum. We have a liquid lipstick. We have a highlighter pen, crayon. I think that's it. And the Glam palette. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. So for $25, you can't beat that. I mean, let's add all this stuff up. $65, $85. 130, 136. So $136 worth of stuff. Yeah. That's a great value for $25. I will leave the link for you down below in the description box if you are interested, eyescreambeauty.com. So on that note, I am glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.